Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Tuner Flicks. I'm here with Omega, building the capsule Supra, of course, in which today PHR sent us the PHR Radiator Show Plate, aka the polished version. Now obviously, if you're building any Supra out there, the final touch is obviously in the details, and this here is actually a great way to kind of hide the gap. Is that correct?
Yep.
From the radiator and then the inlet plate. Now, you can see right here how this looks. So it's also made out of a nice aluminum material, and as we kind of take it out there, you got that nice polished finish showcasing Powerhouse Racing with two logos on both sides, as well as slots to go ahead and screw it down. Now it does come in different versions as well, so you have the polished and then I believe also the black version. So obviously based on what your finish is looking like. You want to go ahead and install this thing?
Let's do it.
All right, let's do it. All right, so essentially it mounts right over there. Now we actually have the PHR radiator brackets, and then we have the inlet plate, but you can see how it kind of hide the gap in between the radiator right there. So it kind of makes it look a lot cleaner, and definitely when you kind of stand back, it makes it look really nice altogether. What are your thoughts, Josh?
This is actually a really nice piece. I do kind of like it for sure. Really does hide that little hideous gap. It really all is into the details of this.
Yes, and it really completes the look overall, right?
Yes, it does.
All right, well there you guys have it. If you had any questions about it, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye.